Good morning, my self-reliant peeps. Today is about running around the yard, doing things that I see. We'll see how the day goes. That tends to be how I work rather than have a list of things I'm going to do. I see things, I decide I want to do it. I look at things and I think, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. So we're going to add some white paint to that set of steps that I did. It's dry now, so let's get cracking. About getting out some of these dandelions out of the landscaping and just some other things that need done. I have myrtle growing in there. If you can see the little purple flowers, that's myrtle. Myrtle's a ground cover that takes over. So hopefully, I'd say in a couple years, it has grown, and I mulch in between, but boy, those weeds just come up. It's a good thing I enjoy flowers and gardening and working in the ground, or this would be awful. One bed done. I find that I really can't do like the whole thing like I used to. So every day I'll do some. Well, we're going to plant this other blueberry, just in case I lose that 60-year-old bush. So what I want to do is make sure that I can get the tractor through here a couple of times. So I'm going to plant it pretty far away. planted to retain moisture, especially when we get into the hot, dry summer. Remember about mulch is fresh mulch will kill, like your grass, it'll kill your newly planted plants. So when you lay it, you have to leave a space around your plants or trees. Trees surrounded by mulch. Let's work on the roses until I run out of mulch. Okay, got the rose bushes done on the right side of the house. Trees and rose bushes before I ran out of mulch. Of that pile burnt. Well, that's a hot fire for sure. It shouldn't last much longer. The winds are helping knock it down. Like I showed, the farmer had, well, what he did, he had, I think it's called no-till planting. They just go and plant over the field. I think they can do that a couple of years before they have to plow and disc. He might have also been putting fertilizer down too, I'm not sure. Well, my self-reliant peeps, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that. It goes a long way in helping my channel to grow. Hope you enjoyed the video today.